Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a quick video on Sushi Swap and its token Sushi. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that'll really help us out. So before I get going with the video today, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing with you what I'm doing in the crypto space. So anyway, let's get going with Sushi Swap. I do not personally hold any Sushi Swap, but Crypto Cody does, and we both agree it belongs in our top 10 right now. So anyway, let's get right into it. So Sushi Swap is just a decentralized exchange. So this is it. You just go to sushi.com. You can do a Ethereum swap. There's Tron. You can see all the different platforms you can swap on. BNB Smart, Chain, Arbitrum, Base, Avalanche, and so forth. So this is its website. It's just a decentralized exchange. And Sushi is the token for this exchange, just like Uniswap has the Uni token. So same thing with Sushi. So anyway, we'll go right into CoinGecko and get what I like to see, the numbers, because the numbers will tell what's going on with this on a fundamental base anyway. Excuse me, on a technical base. So, and also some fundamentals. So market cap, $472 million. Fully diluted is 681 million. Circulating supply is just under 200 million tokens out of a total of like 278,000. So, probably 60% or so in circulation. Not too bad. And we'll go down here. All-time high is $23.38. All-time low is 45 cents, which was back in August of this year. So even from August of this year till now, I mean, we're like at a 5x plus. So, and there's still room to grow with Sushi swapping to go up. And right now you can even see it's having a good day today. It's almost 32% up on the day at $2.46. It's ranked 245 on the market cap. So I really like this one. I'm actually looking at possibly trading it because I think there's going to be a couple opportunities here in this bull market to pick up a quick 100% gain on some trades. So let's get right into that. This is what I'm looking at, Sushi Swap. And I know Cody, he's holding it more long term. He's had it for quite some time. So, and there's nothing wrong with hodling it and holding it until where you think it's going to get at the bull market and sell then, or maybe gets halfway there, sell half, and then sell the rest where you think it's going to peak out. So for me, looking at this chart, this is daily candle wicks, but I have it condensed because there's some key levels that were back in 2021 that I want to look at. So you can see way over here, that's where we are right now. We're about $2.50 or so, right? And if you look across, to me, we're going to go up to probably about $3.50, $3.75. And I think it's going to stop and consolidate a little bit there. There is a little bit of resistance in that area. But if it doesn't, it's going to blow right through and it's going to go up to about $7, $7.50 is my guess before it starts consolidating again, or maybe do a little retrace. Who knows? But I think it's going to get there pretty quickly. Could this happen by the end of the year? It's possible. It's December 8th, so we do have 23 days left in the month of December in the year 2024. So it is possible. I think we're going to definitely be hopefully above the $3.50 range and at least turning this resistance in this area into support going towards our next leg, like I said, which would probably be around $7. From there, it'd probably go to 12 and then 16, 15, 16, and then it might push to the all-time high. Could this market support a Sushi swap at its all-time high as well? So we'll look at that. So that's roughly a 10x. So that would put it at roughly, just under 5 billion. I think the market can definitely support a $5 billion market cap Sushi swap. I actually think the market probably could support a $10 to a $15 billion Sushi swap. So if that's the case, say it's double that, we're going to be seeing a $45 to a $50 Sushi swap at the all-time high. I think that is possible. really. So being a $10 billion market cap, being $45 to $50, that is possible. But this is what I'm going to do. Price where it's at right now is fine. Could it retrace a little bit? It would. I would probably wait for a little bit of a retrace. We just had this 30% plus candle wick. So, and we're up, $2.40. I think this probably will retrace back down, probably to around the $2 range. But if you just want to almost market buy, if we think it's going to go to $45 and we're at $2.50, that's going to be, roughly a 20x. So does it really matter if you bought in this area or tried to get a little bit more? So, but with trying to get a little bit more, you might miss it altogether. So I would probably put it right around 225, knowing me, between 225 and 235 is probably where I would put my price. I just don't like the market buy, because I think we're going to probably go back down a little bit. So anyway, that's where, if you're just buying the hold, I'm not going to do that. I'm looking to trade this. I don't want to tie my money up just in case this goes against what I'm saying. Now I'm kind of stuck into the trade for a longer period of time. I'm trying to find these, so it's like, maybe 1 to 3 weeks and they hit, and then I'm in and out. So I'm going to wait until, and we're going to go back to this area again, is I want to see it break above that, like I was saying, that $3.50 range. So once I see it break above that 350, I'll look at buying a position, and then really from there, like I said, it's going to go to $750 or so. So I'd probably wait till, just say, we'll call it, I'll get in at, even on the high side, $3.79. And I really think this is probably going to go, at least the first leg of this, probably to about $750, $760. So I'd probably put that right there. So that would be 101% gain trade, where I'd buy at 367 roughly. That would be my entry, and my exit would be 765. And that would be for 100% gain trade, a little over. My stop loss on that, when this trade happens, I'm going to set an alert. Probably keep a tight stop loss. I'd probably only go down probably right into this range. Probably go down to 325, maybe 325. But I wouldn't risk more than 15% trading on the downside. So even right at 15%, we're looking at roughly 322, entry at 366 roughly. Well, 379, what we did, and down to, roughly a 15% downside stop loss. So just to protect your downside, because if something happened, this went way down to here, I'd rather get out with a 15% loss than, because if it goes, it's going to go down probably at least back to, the $2 price range. And that would be a lot more, right? I don't want to risk that much. So anyway, that's what I would do with Sushi Swap. That's what I'm planning on doing with the trade. But like I said, if you just want to get in and start building a position, I don't think it's going to go much lower in the near future. Like I said, is it possible we could go back down to this volume point of control and go back down to $1.50? It is. So who knows if that will happen. But my guess is, if we can get up to this $3.50 range and stay above that and turn that into support, that's going to be the new bottom moving forward through the bull run. So anyway, that's what I think with Sushi Swap. Solid project, good DEX to go ahead and do swaps with. You just have to connect a wallet to it. And anyway, it's one of our top 10s. We really like it. I used to have it back in the 2021 bull market, but I don't have a position now. But like I said, Cody does, and we're expecting great big things for its token Sushi. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks.